YouTube growth is a marathon, not a sprint. So if you get stressed out and burn yourself out doing too much and working on things you shouldn't, you will not get results for your hard work. And when you don't get results, you will quit. I can't have that. That's why I don't waste time showing you how to set up your channel, spend hours creating a beautiful channel art, or even spend a day figuring out what to say in your bio description. Chances are you already know how to do that. And truth is, no one really spent much time reading your bio or judging your channel art. The thing that really matters is the videos on your channel. That's what got people to find your channel in the first place. And that's what will make people want to subscribe and see more of what you have to offer. I'm not going to waste a second of your time. Let me show you how to start our YouTube growth adventure so you can jump right in no matter where you are on your journey. If you just started YouTube and don't know how the algorithm works or don't understand the psychology of the users on the platform, then start at week 1. I will explain why is it so hard to get subscribers if you don't know what you are doing, and how small channels are able to make money and be successful on the platform, and why they don't have to waste months or years of their time trying to get into YouTube's partner program. If you are trying to figure out what is the next video you should create for your channel, then start at week 2. Instead of spending hours on research, I made the shortest, straight-to-the-point tutorials showing you the quickest way to get your research done so that you can confidently know that your video will be found by targeting keywords that people are actually searching for. If you know what kinds of videos you want to make and are having a hard time putting your ideas on paper, don't worry, you won't be staring at a blank screen for much longer. Start at week 3. I will give you my 5-step viral video formula to help you instantly script your video in minutes. I will also show you how to boost your watch time by sharing with you YouTube's 1/3 rule and the research we did at YouTube headquarters analyzing thousands of channels who grew during the pandemic. I will explain exactly what these channels were doing to get subscribers and even give you the green screen animation that they used and show you just how and when to use it for your own videos. Wow, I am almost out of breath talking about all of this, but we are not even close to covering everything that I have planned for you in this course. Okay, let's continue. If you already made your video and are about to publish, please wait. Don't publish until you watch week 4. I will fully explain all the necessary SEO steps that you must do in order for your videos to be ranked. And as if that's not enough, I will also show you how to use paid traffic to boost your videos' views and subscribers, staying one step ahead of your competitors' channels. I hope you are getting more excited about the YouTube adventure we are about to go on. We don't have a moment to lose, because let's face it, you should have been growing your influence on YouTube yesterday. So pick a week and jump right in. And hold on tight, because it's gonna be an interactive learning experience. Can't wait, my friend. See you inside.